Tons of you guys have asked for apple dumplings, so today your demands are going to be met. First thing we're going to do is make the pastry. We're using flour, put in a little bit of baking powder, some salt, and then of course butter. We're going to mix the butter in a little bit with our hands. We're going to take a little bit of milk and mix it in slowly. This is what your dough should look like by the time you're done with it. Now we're going to set that aside and get our apples ready. Get the apples ready, we're just going to peel them and cut them in half. And we're going to cut the seeds out so it makes a little hole in the middle. Look like this. Before we do anything else, we're going to take brown sugar, some cinnamon, and water. We're going to mix that together and then go boil it. While that's boiling, we're going to roll out our dough. Now let's roll out, we're going to cut it into 6-inch squares. And place one apple half on each square. We have a sugar and cinnamon mixture that we're going to take and fill the holes of those apples with. And we're going to bring each piece of dough up around the apple and pinch it close at the top. And place each one pinched top side down in a glass baking dish. It doesn't have to be glass, but I prefer glass. Our brown sugar syrup just got done boiling. So we're going to add some butter and stir it until it's melted. Once the butter's melted, take your syrup and pour it over your dumplings. Then we're going to stick these in the oven and bake them. Well, these things are done now. They look perfect. These are best if you eat them when they're hot or at least a little warm, so I'm going to taste these right away. I would recommend eating them with cold milk or fresh ice cream. I'm going to taste test it. These things are very good. Very, very good. This is a fairly simple recipe and I put it in my Amish cookbook if you click the link on my profile. Enjoy!